Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Part 2 of this. While the other video was loading, I just started playing. I've done videos like this, and I just did one. And I've done videos like if you take the Smart Fill tool and start filling in a curvature. And you don't really have to, do anything special, but just cursor it all the way around or fill it in all the way around. But then I started looking, what if you did this? Just start kind of using your imagination in what you could do with it. And you get a pretty cool result. You'll see in just a second. So just keep going, and then, you could go back downhill. You could use any configuration, just get them all. Now, very easily, Control G to group that, double click on it and move it to the quadrant again. Now this time we're going to use the transformation docker, under dockers, transform or transformation. But before we did it 5 degrees, and we did 71 of them. Well, we need 36 at 10 degrees. So what we're going to do is now hit apply, and look what you came up with. Now the same thing, what we could do here, I don't know how big this is. Let's make it, with our ratio lock, make it 20 inches. Doesn't matter what size. And do the exact same thing with the yellow, make a 20-inch yellow circle, 20 instead of 2. Go ahead and fill it in. Let's fill it in with, yellow is going to show up the best. And go ahead and go to Object, Order, back a page. I'm pretty sure this is in the center. Control G to group it, and then P. Yes, it is. And then just hit P on this to put that in the center of the page. Now, this will look really good after you take away the outline. And that quickly you made that. It really kind of and you could play around with that and go any direction. And it's almost, if you kind of look at the center, it almost plays with your eyes. And you don't have to use the yellow. You could actually, use the yellow and do some other things with it. Let's just play with it. Interactive fill tool. And let's put a red down here on this side. And then put this back in the center. Put them both back in the center. And look at that. Pretty cool design. Anyway, just playing around. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.